So welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. It's me. I feel as if this is supposed to be like this to show some shoulder. What do you guys think? Anyway, welcome to Discovering Natural. If this is your first time watching my channel, my name is Shola. Welcome. I keep on saying Happy New Year. I think all the month of January we can say Happy New Year continuously. So thank you so much. If this is your first time, we'll love you to join the family. Click on that subscribe button and let's get to know each other more. So is natural hair confusing? Have you found that natural hair is confusing to you? If you're at a mindset where you feel like natural hair is confusing, or you even just want to hear what I have to say about it, that is why you are here. For some people, natural hair can be confusing, especially when you don't have a routine. So when is it that natural is confusing to you? Because some other people say natural is not confusing. It's very simple. Keep it simple. And that is it. For me, I'm a minimalist. Yes. So everything, I try to keep things as simple. No stress in life. Keep things as simple as possible. So I try to make natural hair as simple for you. Now, for some people, natural can be confusing. The way natural can be confusing is that if you're someone that you are jumping from one bandwagon of routine to another bandwagon of routine, you'll find that for you, natural hair is going to be very confusing. And you'll be wondering, how did they do this? Why this? Oh, I did this, it didn't work. I did that, it didn't work. I put banana, it didn't work. I don't know why I always say banana. I put onion, it didn't work. I put this, it didn't work. My sister, that is when natural hair is going to be confusing for you. The way you can reduce that is to simplify your routine. If you choose to do home remedy, stick to it for a set amount of time. You can stick to it for 3 months. You can just stick to it. Don't be jumping from one pillar of hair routine to another pillar of hair routine. It is impossible for you to find out what is going on with your natural hair, how your natural hair is doing, if you are jumping from this routine to the other. Other people that are in the same category of natural is so confusing is when you don't see the result that you're hoping to see. I did a video about 2 or 3 days ago talking about comparing your hair growth with other people. If you want to see it, it's going to be right up there somewhere popping up, and I'm also going to add it to the card at the end of this video. So if you're someone that you are constantly comparing your hair with other people, you find it confusing, because what you are doing is that you are setting your goals, somebody else's goals. You are trying to chase their own goals. You are chasing other people's dream. So natural hair can also be confusing for you if you don't take your time to have hair literacy. If you don't take your time to understand what is really going on with your hair, what is going on with when I use this product, oh, this is how my hair feels. When I do this, this is how my hair feels. You have to learn you have to learn more about your hair. How can you learn more? Take the time, join Facebook groups. I have a Facebook group called Discovering Natural where we help you out. You can ask questions. I have a Facebook page where I post information, like, for example, you hear about volumizing shampoo. What exactly is volumizing shampoo? You say, oh, where can I buy it? You don't know anything about it. So I write posts and I answer people's questions on my Facebook page, Discovering Natural. So make sure you follow me on there. Now, there are a set of people that find natural hair confusing, and they find it confusing not because they are chasing people's dreams, hair dreams, not because they are jumping from one routine to the other, not because they don't have hair literacy, but it's because they need some extra help. That is where I come in. So I am a certified hair coach, and I'm able to sit with you and teach you what you need to do to make your routines work for you. I'm not saying for Sally down the street. I'm not saying for Uche that lives on the top of the mountain. I'm not saying for all those people. I'm saying for you. So it's very important. I'm going to drop the link in the comment area where you can just click on it. You set up an appointment with me. Very easy. And then I put you in a group. I communicate with you regularly to get your hair to the state that you want to be. Because natural hair doesn't have to be confusing, to be honest. Natural hair doesn't have to be confusing. You take your time to learn what has to happen. Now, if you're in the category of people who that find that natural is confusing to them, and you're wondering what can you do to get out of this, step number one, if you find natural confusing, simplify. Simplify everything you do. Wash day. If you're someone in the past, your wash day routine is pre-poo, hot oil, shampoo, clarify, clay wash, deep conditioner, do this, do that, do that. You have like 10 things that you do on your wash day. Cut it down to 4. 4 things, 3 to 4 things is all you need to do for your wash day. You start off your wash day, shampoo. Before you shampoo, you can combine shampoo and detangling in one instance. Deep condition. Deep conditioning will add moisture to your hair, help soften your hair. That softness that everybody wants. My hair is hard, my hair is hard. My inbox is filled with my hair is hard. Deep condition. Number 3, after rinsing everything off, leave-in conditioner. Use your leave-in conditioner to keep your hair soft, keep it moisturized. And number 4, put your hair in a style. Moisturizer, you can use a moisturizer if you want to. The leave-in conditioner will work fine at this stage. Use an oil or a butter and lock in that moisture and put your hair in a style. 4 things. 4 things. So simple. Put your hair in a style. Then every day, check your hair. Is it dry? Do I need to moisturize it? Or do I need to do this? Moisturize it. At night, sleep. Simple. Natural is not confusing, but you make it confusing. You see how simple that routine is? After 2 weeks or after 1 week, take down your style, wash your hair. Like that. If you're someone that you deal with scalp issues, always make sure you start off by contacting a professional, trichologist. A lady came on my Facebook page and she was saying she has tried everything, but her scalp just is not acting right. She's actually good. Her hair, she's losing hair on her scalp. She's losing hair here. And I asked her, I said, have you seen a doctor? And she said, yes, I went to my doctor, my regular doctor. Yeah, the doctor you go to when you have fever and cough. Yeah. That's the wrong doctor. Go see a trichologist. If this is your first time hearing of that word trichologist, go see a trichologist. What a trichologist does is the trichologist will go and look at your scalp, see what's going on in your scalp and move it further. Now, I work with trichologists as a hair coach. I work with trichologists and I advise people when they have scalp condition to see trichologists, because the scalp conditions could be due to other health issues. So your natural hair doesn't have to be confusing. So it doesn't have to be, no, it doesn't have to be. So in 2024, if there's something that you have to do so that you're not like, oh, I'm just going to relax it. Yeah, jumping from frying pan to fire. It's okay. So yeah, please contact me. I'm readily available for you. Don't be shy. I'm a very, very friendly person. I'm very friendly. I'm one of those friends that you have to keep. Okay, so thank you so much. I'm going to drop the link for I told you about. I'm going to drop that link of you comparing your hair growth to other people right over there, so you can watch it right over there. And I have a surprise for you. I have a family channel, DM Vlogs Live, talking about friends. Let's talk about friends that you don't want in 2024. So these 2 videos, make sure you watch them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.